We've all been there. You just bought a product that requires assembly and you're hunched over complicated setup instructions, wondering if it's even worth it. Fortunately, there's one industry that's ahead of the curve when it comes to innovation in toolless technology, and that's the trade show industry. That's because time is money on the trade show floor, and owning an exhibit that can be assembled quickly will save you a fortune by eliminating or greatly reducing the cost of hired labor. With so many innovations in trade show booth engineering, there's no reason that you should be dealing with the hassle or the excessive loose parts and tools. A good exhibit provider will be able to offer you a solution with an intuitive, hassle-free setup with components that effortlessly slide, clip, and lock into place. Here are a few of our favorite toolless solutions. 1. Spring buttons and shock cords. This is as convenient as it gets. Aluminum tube frames that slide together and snap into place and are perfect for a pillowcase style graphic. And if your frame has sections that are bungeed together, the amount of time that you need to spend matching up parts and pieces on your exhibit is drastically reduced. Once the frame is assembled, you simply slide the graphic over the frame like a pillowcase. Number 2, inline tension connector. A great toolless solution for light boxes and other frames that utilize silicone edge graphics is an inline tension connector that can be easily tightened without requiring a tool. Once the frame is assembled, the graphic is simply inserted into a recessed groove on the frame. Number 3, expansion connector. An expansion connector is also compatible with silicone edge graphics. Number 4, staking method. For an exceptionally lightweight frame, like an aluminum tube frame, a quality manufacturer will know how to produce a display that can easily rest on the base plate stake without any tilting issues. Number 5, a threaded insert. For slightly wider frames, like a light box frame, a threaded insert on a wide base plate will do the trick. For more information about our displays and trade show services, visit www.featherlight.com, and we will see you again next time.